lesson is adding integers. Our goal is that we can add integers. Vocabulary. Additive identity. The sum of a number and the additive identity, blank, is the number. Blank is 0. The additive identity, what is the additive identity? 0. Additive inverse. The sum of a number and its additive inverse, or opposite, is 0. Stuff like this works better when you guys are in class, because you guys get to fill in the numbers. What do we call numbers whose sum is 0? So, while this feels like an odd question or repetitive, the answer to this is opposite. Okay, so moving on. All right, 2 plus 1, hopefully you know the answer to this quickly and easily, is 3. Negative 2 plus negative 1, if you think about that, is negative 3. 2 plus negative 1 is 1. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. Okay, so patterns that you might see, hopefully you're noticing. Same sign addition. When we add numbers with the same sign, the answer has that sign. All right, easy enough. Here's where it gets a little more challenging. When different sign addition, when we subtract the numbers and we take the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. We subtract the numbers and take the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. So let's look at those and think about that. 2 has a greater absolute value than negative 1. So we subtract 2 minus 1 and take the sign of the 2. Same thing with this one. Negative 2 has the greater absolute value, so we took its sign. All right, so let's see if that still works with larger numbers. I didn't mean to do that. Oh well. 100 plus 50 is 150. Negative 100 plus negative 50 is negative 150. Negative 100 plus 50, we're subtracting here because our signs are opposite. We're going to take the sign of our number with the greater absolute value, which is this one, the negative 100. So we will subtract them, and we will apply the sign of the negative, because that one, the 100 is negative. And again, we're going to take the sign of the larger absolute value, which is 100, and it is positive in this case, so it will be 50. And we're not going to play the game because you guys can't play the game with me, and it's just not as much fun to play by myself. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and if you have questions, remember, as always, to write them down. I hope if there was something you didn't understand that you took the time to pause it, go back, look at it again, rewind it, all that kind of stuff. All right, see you in class. Until next time.